I'm Jessa from the Reynolds team of Compass. I'd like to tell you about my brand new listing, which is now in the MLS as coming soon. This rehab opportunity is nestled on a beautiful street with oaks towering overhead, displaying a gorgeous entryway to what could be your new home. This fabulous home has great bones for reconstructing and remodeling to turn into something truly amazing in a location that can't be beat. It's currently a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a very large yard, leaving plenty of room for a pool at just about a 1/4 acre of space. Dahlia Lane is right in the heart of Central Beach and is within walking distance to all the local beach shops, eateries, and the beautiful known Humiston Park Beach. Whether it's nightlife that you're searching for and a quick top cocktail right down the road at Solmar, or a morning coffee at Grind and Grape, you are sure to love this location, as all of these hotspots are within walking distance to your sweet new home. At an asking price of only $650, this investor opportunity will be sure to go fast. Location, location, location. Once again, I'm Jessa Valentine with the Reynolds team of Compass. Call me for more details on this property.